Hello, Royal Gordon community. Here is part 8 of my rating on All Engines Go with a YouTuber that I'm friends with. Say hello.
Hello everyone, it is I, Kayden NWR 15 Productions here.
Yes, and this is, I think, the first time you're actually on my channel. I think.
I think so.
So this is my rating on All Engines Go part 8, where we're talking about why Mattel had to ruin Thomas and Friends for All Engines Go. So why do you think Mattel ruined the show, Kayden NWR Productions?
I don't know, probably just to make more money.
Yep, that's right. So yeah. So what are your opinions on the show?
I think it was alright. It could have...
Yeah, like, even though they had to ruin it in 2021, why couldn't we just get season 25 to literally be the CGI series? Like, because Thomas could have went to Japan to see Hiro and Kenji. But nope, they had to make a new 2D animated style. Whoopee. And I know this episode was kind of short, but yeah. We'll be right back, guys. Subscribe to Kayden NWR Productions. And people that hate Kayden NWR Productions, he was only in this part. Like, seriously, just this part.